Hi everyone, this is 6th class maths. Hope you're enjoying yourselves all the time off. I'm going to go through, I think it's page 151. I'm going to give you some questions to do on the way. You can just pause the video, do them and check them after, okay? And in case you're wondering, that is you little... Right, hey, get back on your chair. Get back, you know how to do that. Right. Now, back here. Okay, right. Okay. Okay, we'll go again anyway. Pupils being disrupted. So, this chapter is on fractions and how to use fractions. We're going to start off easy and then slowly build it up. The next chapter is all about cost, price and profits and all that kind of stuff. So we have to know how to turn a fraction into a percentage. Now most of you can probably do this in your head already, but when the sums get harder you'd have to come back and use this technique. So to turn a fraction into a percentage, you get the fraction and you multiply it by 100 over 1. Now of course, let's say most of you all know that 3/4 of course is 75%, but just in case you don't, so top by top, bottom by bottom, that gives us 300 over 4, and then we go and divide 300 by 4, and that goes in 7 times 75%. But like I said, most of you already know this in your head. I'll do the next one, 3/5. 3 over 5. Okay, we all know it's 60, but just in case, so multiply it by 100 over 1, and that gives us 300 over 5. So 300 divided by 5 gives us 60%. Alright? I'll do an irregular one now that you won't know, because you know our quarters, fifths, eighths, tenths, 20ths, 25ths, we know all them. This is just in case you come across a tricky one, like a 7th. So 3 over 7 by 100 over 1, which is 300 over 7, which is, that goes in 4 times, 2 left over, 2 times, okay, decimal point, we've got 6 left over, that goes in 7 times, 4 left. That will stay going on and on and on forever, so 2 decimal places is fine. Most 6th class books won't use 7ths or 9ths or 11ths or 13ths, but just in case they come up, you know what to do. Alright, so just in case we get one that needs to be simplified, to break this down, we work out what number goes into 15 and into 24. And of course 3 goes into both. So 3 into that goes 5 times, 3 into that goes 8 times, which gives us 5/8. Now most of you already know this answer in your head, but just in case, we got 100 over 1, which gives us, okay, goes in 0, goes in, which is 62.5%. Next one, same thing. We're going to go with 16 over 72. And that has to be simplified down. Just in case you don't know, if they're both even numbers, we can always go with 2 and just keep breaking it down. 8 over 36, we can go again and make 4 over 18, or go again, and that gives us 2 over 9. I think that's right. 8, 16. Yeah. Yeah. That is 22.2%. I'm going to give you something to do here on the right hand side. Just pause the video and have a go yourself in your copy or on your whiteboard. If you get stuck, just send the video back and just check over it again. So you've got 5 sums to do there. Just pause the video and off you go. Right, and the answers, of course, everything is a percentage. I can see that's 1/3, that should be 33.3%. That's 3/8, that should be 37.5%. That's 2/5, which is 40%. That is 1/8, which is 12.5%. And 8/36, okay, we'll go with 4. Oh, 2/9, we had that just here, 22.2%. So that's just the start of it. If you know all your halves, quarters, eighths, fifths, this will be quite easy. The hardest part is just get them simplified down to what you know. Okay, that's all for now. Don't subscribe, don't like, and don't comment on my YouTube channel. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.